Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, definitely subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Now, if you've ever wondered if a modern style of home decor is for you, you have found the right video. We are going to take one home decor style per video. In this case, it's going to be modern. So we are going to take a look at different rooms in the modern style to give you an accurate description and just a clear picture of what it really is. That way you can decide once and for all if modern is for you. Now, we have already started the pictures rolling. These are going to be examples of modern living rooms. So just in case you need just a little bit of a reminder of what modern home decor or design is, modern design is an interior design style characterized by a monochromatic color palette, clean lines, minimalism, neutral materials, and of course, natural light. It refers specifically to a historical aesthetic movement that took place during the early to mid 20th century. So now that we have the definition out of the way, what does that mean in terms of home decor, design, and of course, since we are speaking of the living room? So one thing you will always find in a modern living room is you're going to find clean lines. Modern furniture incorporates clean geometric lines. Look for square or gently rounded edges. When your eye follows the lines of modern furniture, it should feel infinite, like your eye could continue to trace that shape forever, not a lot of curves and angles and all of that. Imagine the continuous straight line of the horizon or the never-ending shape of a circle. You're also going to see a lot of neutral colors. So while the white living room walls and tan furniture that have become signatures of stylish living rooms everywhere originated with modern design, this style doesn't really feed off of the bold colors of traditional or Hollywood Regency home decor in favor of more muted room colors. So when modern living rooms of the early 20th century incorporated more color, they often opted for a navy blue, olive green, or even an earthy pink in some cases. So beyond the clean lines and the neutral colors, you'll also see some natural materials. The glam materials of the 19th century, like crystal chandeliers and mirrored furniture, well, they really stepped aside in the early 20th century. Modern style brought us back to our roots with natural materials like wood and stone and leather and just so many other different things. To bring more of the outdoors in, make greenery a focal point in your modern living area. There's also going to be some aesthetic minimalism going on. So now let's take a look at modern bedrooms. Now, contrary to popular belief, a modern bedroom does not have to be really stark and metallic and cold. You know the type of room I'm thinking about. Think of it more as a pared down, sleek look that is definitely conducive to getting a good night's rest. Now, a lot of people say that they find it really hard to sleep in a super eclectic or a maximalist type bedroom just because there's so many things that almost kind of amp you up, whether it's the amount of items that you have in the room itself, or if it's the color or the items, or just looking at an item and memories flooding back to where you were when you got that item, and then you just get all happy and excited, and before you know it, you're up for hours. So creating a polished, modern aesthetic that's also cozy means incorporating really luxurious bedding, rich materials, and sometimes the occasional pop of color. The main goal here is to help you transform your bedroom into a really clean and cozy, yet calming environment. So as you can see here, there are literally so many different styles when you think of modern. And even though all of them may be modern, you have modern rustic, you may have some modern yet, traditional, or modern shabby chic. You always have those fusions. And that really just depends on what you like personally as far as your decor style. So modern bedrooms are spaces of personal comfort, privacy, and of course complete relaxation. People rest and recover at the end of the day and disconnect from their busy routine there. Modern bedroom design just really fuses people's emotional response to the latest trends of 2022 that bring elegant functionality but yet still blend coziness with visual comfort. So when you just put all that together, you create this beautiful and relaxing bedroom design. Now let's take a look at modern kitchen. So I can honestly say I love a good modern kitchen. And I have found, talking to a lot of people that would not normally go with a modern style living room or bedroom somehow are okay with a modern kitchen. I think it's because it's so clean looking. And when you think of a kitchen, that's one of the words that you want to come to mind. So a modern kitchen design typically consists of really open spaces, very minimalist features, and a simple color palette. It offers this clutter-free space to relax and, of course, to cook and entertain in. The term modern, in this case, encompasses everything that's really sleek and streamlined. So if you look at some of the visual examples that I have put in this video, a lot of the kitchens, even though they may be different colors and different, somewhat styles, and use different materials, they still all look very similar in a way. And it's one of those similarities, it's like, okay, these two kitchens look alike, I can't really put my finger on why. It's not the usage of marble, it's not the usage of a certain color, it's actually the items and the way that the kitchen is constructed. So for instance, look at the chairs, just very kind of straight, gives you straight lines, very simple, very sleek, very clean. You don't have a lot of frills, you don't have lace everywhere. This is just a certain type of kitchen that I, for one, love. Tell me what you think about it down in the comment section below. So now it's time to take a look at a few modern bathrooms. Now, a modern bathroom is something, of course, once again, that I just absolutely love, just as much, if not more so, than the modern kitchen. This bathroom looks clean. It looks very together. It looks very like someone just really took their time decorating it. And it's usually very simple. I mean, there is just not a lot going on to create this type of restroom. So of course, in a lot of these modern bathrooms that we are looking at, it's going to be very simple. You're just going to have a sink or a basin. You're going to have your commode or toilet. You're going to have your shower, but it's all in the accessories that you choose for your restroom that's going to give you that really sleek and nice modern look that we all love. Take a look at this restroom. Not a whole lot of decorating went into it, but a lot of planning on the design side to get this gorgeous look that looks so put together. And it's just like you go in this restroom, you can unwind, you can relax, everything is good. You can soak in one of these tubs. And if you guys notice the tub, take a look. A lot of the modern bathrooms utilize a freestanding type tub, just like the one shown, like a lot of the ones that we have already seen. I don't know if that is on purpose, but I know that I see that a lot. If you look at a lot of the showers, not a lot went into that. Usually it's just the glass shower. Now I do love these subway tiles. It gives it a little extra umph, if you know what I mean. There are so many different examples though of modern bathrooms that you just have so many to choose from. Do you guys like any of the ones that I picked in this video? Let me know down below. And of course I had to give you a little bonus, so let's take a look at some modern home exteriors. So guys, I wanted to show you a little bit, since we focus so much on the inside of the home, that you can have a modern style exterior of your home as well. These homes are gorgeous. They just give you that modern feel. You know, if you go inside, you're going to get a house full of modern love. Let me know if you like these exteriors down below as well. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.